Good morning. Hi, I'm Jeannie. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jeannie. If you're not new here, thanks for staying with me for these past 4 months that I haven't uploaded because I have been depressed. I have lacked so much inspiration, motivation, thoughtiation, just not there. It's back. I'm creative again. I am once again a comedic genius. I saw an ad. Yeah, quick question. What the fuck? So of course I obviously downloaded the game and it's been waiting for me to play it for I don't know how long. It's called Girls X Battle 2. Fucking sick. I'm so excited. I don't speak Spanish. This is a lot going on already. Regular capsules can be used to summon most girls. I can summon girls? Oh my god. Wow, what a time to be alive. You're in luck, senpai. There's a free capsule available. Thanks. The fuck is this shit? Kayla with a C, bitch. Okay. Is this my girlfriend now? I don't get it. I put a quarter in, I get a girlfriend? Why can't life be this easy? What am I doing? What's the point here? Great, looks like you're getting the hang of summoning girls. Let's focus on the campaign now. Joe Biden's manager be like,
Meow. 眠いっての。これでようやく寝れる。
That was too much.
この飲み物おいしい。
Level up. I'm fucking good. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm fucking good.
ちょうどいい。お主、私の稽古。
I got a pirate bitch with an eye patch on a fucking horse. Hell yeah. Sick. Oh, Michael? Why her name be Michael? I only have 3 brain cells and that's killing them all.
重いよ。
切る。
にゃお。雪の加護よ。眠いっての。これが私の髪をぐちゃぐ。
Big titty cat girl wins again.
何かに勝つということがこれほど気持ちのいいものだったとは。
I feel uncomfortable. I think that's enough of that for now. I think I really should go to therapy now. Well, I don't watch anime, as you can tell. None of that made sense to me. Did I love every minute of it? I don't know. You tell me. Thanks for watching, guys. I know this was a what the fuck moment. I'm glad we got to experience it together. I'm also traumatized. If you want me to play any games or you find any weird ads or shit, yeah, that was English. If you find any of that, comment down below and I'll play it and I'll videotape it. Videotape it. That just sounds pornographic. I don't like it. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching my videos, even though I am inconsistent. Love you guys. Bye.
Heard you spent 50 on the necklace. Now you're right up in my set list.